Hey, it's Mike again, Product Manager for ExpressPCB. Let's talk about grid and snap settings. In our classic 7.9 software, under the View menu and the Options, you will find both our grid and snap spacing here. You can go ahead and just click inside the appropriate window, change the spacing as you would like. Most people will use 0.05 simply because that's where most component pitch is for through-hole components. You can toggle the show the grid or not show the grid. Same thing for our snap settings. General rule is to set your snap to half the distance of the grid. That way, as you place your components and then go to route your traces, the traces can be routed in between the pads and they will snap on that grid, and then you'll have exact spacing in between your pads. Now this changes with our ExpressPCB Plus software, where we've made things a little bit easier and given you a little bit more power with the grid and snap, simply because as you go to the grid menu, you'll notice that instead of just being a base entry to go ahead and enter your grid and snap, we also include drop-down menus, so that once you've added a set of spacing, you can go ahead and just click and choose and then save presets. So as you change from metric to inch, if you change different pitch in your components, all of those things as you develop this will be saved in there, and you can just click and choose as you would like. Just click on the red X to exit, and all of a sudden those are set. And then to toggle the view, that is also back in the grid menu for our ExpressPCB Plus software. You get the option now of either having the same dots that we have in our classic 7.9, or you can go to a little bit more refined grid line and then just see how the traces route along those instead of having the intermittent dots. Thank you for taking a few minutes to join us today. If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to like and subscribe for future content. You can also comment below if you have any questions you'd like to have us answer, or if you have a topic you'd like to have us cover in the future. Most of our content comes from you, our customers, through comments and requests. Thanks again.